Hi, I'm Sarah, this is Olivia, and this week, we thought we would do a public service experiment because I have heard that special blend coffee is going to be no more. Now, I did this coffee blind taste test a while back, expensive versus cheap, and special blend came out to be a pretty good Nescafe type replacement, Nescafe classic replacement. So we actually saved money doing that. But good old special blend, the Greg's factory, apparently where they make it, yeah, it's going to be no more. So we have to pick another type of coffee. So I've gone with the home brand ones, along with, this was by far the cheapest we could find, Nescafe Sunrise. Value instant coffee from Pack and Save. 90 grams at $2.69, which makes it $2.99 per 100 grams. We've got Market Kitchen from the Warehouse, which is actually the most expensive one. 100 grams for $6.99. Woolworths home brand coffee, 90 grams at $3.05, which makes it $3.39 per 100 gram. The Nescafe Sunrise, 190 grams, I think that was acquired from the Warehouse for $2. So that makes it $1.05 per 100 grams. So that is by far the cheapest. We are going to acquire a couple of Clint's old hockey socks. We are going to get blindfolded and get past these coffees one by one, not knowing which is which.
Okay, are you
Right.
ready for the first?
I am blind.
As am I.
Cup. Right, I have a cup. Smells like coffee, doesn't smell particularly strong. To me, that's kind of, it's coffee, but I feel as though it's a bit sort of, I'm handing it over to you, Olivia. I feel like it's a bit sort of lacking in taste, lacking in depth. It's not the best.
It reminds me of the coffee you get on aeroplanes.
What about they serve on aeroplanes? Okay, so that's not.
That's also kind of nice. I like
You
that
reckon?
weird sort of hint to it.
Although Olivia likes her coffee a bit weaker than me, she puts a lot more milk in than I do. So
I kind of like that.
you kind of. I'm not so big on that personally. All right, where's the next one? All right. Okay, that has a little bit more flavour to it. That's not bad. That's a little bit better. I still wouldn't. I still prefer the special blend. I'm handing it over. But that's a bit better than the first one, I think. You are
A bit
remembering
more
which is which, aren't you?
rich. Sort of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm not sure where to put it, so it's going down.
So far I've got the bottom, and then that one's coming, you know, that one's the first so far. Test number 3. Oh, that's a bit different. I don't know how I feel about that. That's a bit stronger, but I'm not sure if it's in a good way or not. I think I'd still go for that second one. Maybe this. Right, handing it over. I'd probably go for that second one, then this, then the first one. It's got almost a slightly burnt.
It's bitter.
Yeah, it's got a kind of a burnt flavour to it somehow.
Which is good if you like that.
Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel. Alright.
I reckon this is better than the second one, but the first one's better than that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why does this taste hotter than the others? It shouldn't do, I poured them all at the same time. do I feel about this one? It's kind of like a middle of the road. I don't know. I still, I'm handing it over. I'm still thinking that second one. What's your thoughts on that one?
I don't know what it is, but there's something really off about that. I don't like it.
You just don't like it. Alright, so I would say the second one, then the third, and I'm not sure about the first and the fourth one that we tried. They're sort of outsiders for me.
Okay, Olivia.
Alright.
I'm gonna say the first one first, the third one second, the second one third, and the fourth one last. It's yeah.
Alright, so
Am I allowed
what
to
if
remove
we...
the blindfold?
Yeah.
First, second, third, fourth.
Oh,
Wait,
so
which
I
one?
actually went for the value one, so that was first.
Right. This one was first.
Yep,
So number one,
That-
number two, number three.
which was the Woolworths one. That's the second one, which is the value one, which I think I actually liked. Which was the third?
He said this.
That one.
That one was the third one. Oh yeah, that was
Which
that,
I put in second.
yeah, that was the kind of burnt tasting one, wasn't it?
Mm.
Mm.
I don't like
And then that I'm
Was that
Yeah.
one I put last?
yeah, neither of us were too keen on the Market Club. We have coffee number one.
That's pretty bad coffee. It's weak as. Don't like it.
Coffee number two.
Better, but not by much. Pathetic.
some pretty hard judging going on.
There's very harsh judging. It's like Simon
looks like
Cowell.
this one's good.
It's like Gordon Ramsay, but a bit less sweary.
That's the best pick out of a bad bunch. Right, what was what? Oh,
So, that last one you had was that. That was the Cheapy Cheap, the Nescafe Sunrise.
best pick out of the bad bunch.
Is that the one I thought was burnt tasting?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You do that.
yeah,
I actually think maybe it just needs a bit more milk in it.
yeah. I actually preferred that one.
The one you liked least was
That one.
that one. And I think those two were kind of on par, weren't they?
That one was
no.
better.
That was the
one was
second
slightly
one.
better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting. So we all actually had very different opinions there. Okay, we're back. I was not happy with that last taste test because to me, none of them cut the mustard. I have been informed though that Pams, this is smooth roast instant coffee. Yeah, 100 gram pack, $3.99. So, I'm not going to bother putting a blindfold on because there's just one and you know. Oh, that is, actually I like that. That's better. Actually, I might like that more than Special Blend. Olivia's making a face.
I mean,
Okay,
it
just-
might. I could live with it. It's
You
not
could
great,
do
but I could live with it.
Interesting. See, now that's interesting. We all agree on the Special Blend. I actually like that. I am very happy with this. I'm going to add a sugar bomb, and I will I'll get Clint's opinion
Can I have another sip before it's befouled?
before it's contaminated. I actually really like that. Okay, that is my pick. That is my recommendation. Olivia's is the Nescafe Sunrise. We'll see what Clint thinks of this. Is it better, worse, or comparable?
It's drinkable. I'll give it drinkable. Maybe it'll grow on me in time. But that is better than anything else we had yesterday.
That is far better than anything from yesterday.
But it's still not. Maybe
So
it's just because I'm not used to it. I
Or
mean,
maybe it's because you know it's something different. Yeah, apparently there are 2 types of Pam's coffee. The other one was actually the one recommended, but I really like that. I actually like that more than Special Blend.
I think that will be the replacement for Special Blend.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just the other
It's got to be.
bad.
And in the meantime, Olivia can drink that Nescafe Sunrise. Final consensus. This is my pick. Clint has declared this is the best out of the bunch that was just not quite Special Blend. Olivia has said she's fine with it. She prefers that Nescafe Sunrise, but she's okay with that. So, there we go. I hope that was of some help. I don't know if it was or not. To me, this has a slightly stronger flavour than the Special Blend, and I like it. I actually prefer it. It is slightly, I think it's slightly more expensive, but not by a huge way, and it's not as expensive as the likes of Moccona or, you know, the fancy Nescafe brands. Let me know if you've got opinions on this, what kind of coffee you drink. I know some people are not willing to compromise budget for coffee. Life is too short to drink bad coffee, but I don't consider that bad. I actually quite like that. So, you know, if it was between that or buying some of the others that I tried yesterday, I may be going on to a more expensive brand because, you know. So anyway, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, subscribe, and we will catch you next week. Cheers.